Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can connect your UIROL to Bluetooth speaker to your phone or computer. So let's turn on the speaker by quickly pressing the power button. If the speaker hasn't been paired to any device yet, it automatically starts in pairing mode. You can see this from the quickly blinking indicator LED. This means that the speaker is immediately discoverable, so let's try to connect to it via a phone. On the phone, go to the settings, click on the connections, and enable the Bluetooth. Now let's wait till the UIROL 2 appears under the available devices. So click on the UIROL 2 and now the phone and the speaker are connected together, so I can play music on the speaker from my phone. If you want to connect the speaker to a second device, make sure the Bluetooth is disabled on your first device, otherwise the speaker will automatically connect to it and quit from pairing mode. Since one device is already paired with the speaker, we have to switch it manually to pairing mode. To do this, keep pressing the Bluetooth button until the speaker plays a sound. Now as you can see, the Bluetooth LED is blinking again, so now we can find it with our second device. Press the Windows plus I button to open up the Windows settings. Click on the devices and turn on the Bluetooth of the computer. Click on the Add Bluetooth or other device button, select Bluetooth, and click on the UIROL 2 under the available devices. And now the computer and the speaker are connected together. While playing music, you can adjust the volume level with the volume up and down buttons on the front side of the speaker. If you have a problem with the device, you can set it back to the initial state by pressing the volume down and the power button simultaneously till you hear a sound. Now the speaker is reset to the initial state. So this was the UIROL 2 manual. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you still have a question, ask in the comments and I will try to answer it. I was Norbert Kopasz and you watched The Speaker Fanatic.